What's up of the world for catching live from this place?
And you're watching us. So guys, today we're gonna make DIY yoyo. Let's go! Take the plastic caps and make a hole in the center of the two plastic caps with a screw, like this. Insert the plastic caps to one of the plastic caps like this. And then the result like this.
Apply the hot glue into the surface of the bottle until it is all covered up with hot glue. Okay? So you do like this.
You need to tie the yarn and make a slip knot. And then make another slip knot on the other side of the yarn that fits your finger.
After it's done, you can decorate with DIY yoyo whatever you like. You can use paper and color makers.
Okay guys, that's all for today.
Thank you for watching and until
Until next time.